We're celebrating Solol.
Oh my god.
Mix. Oh yeah, let's eat. Mix it. Cheese. This is my first time making Taco Bell at home. Ooh. Oh, let's try.
What do you
It's
think?
good though.
진짜?
Hurry.
음.
Good, right?
First time in your life. It's good. 잘했어.
It fell apart a little bit, but the taste is good.
Good.
Yeah, good.
More than not bad.
Yeah. Jalapeno. Crunchwrap Supreme. Oh my god, I'm so excited. She looks so good. You guys, this is our new island. Kitchen island. It was said it was supposed to take like 3 weeks, but it came so fast, like 1 week. Oh, I'm so excited. So much more space. All that storage. This pulls out. So nice. Oh my god, so much more counter space. It's what I wanted. I wanted counter space. The only counter space I have is like this little. Granted, it is more than other Korean apartments, but very, very tiny. Because we put our dishes there. Okay, this is how it looks. You're on the island. Ah! Oh my god, I love this angle. It's so good. You can cook here. You can do. Let me move you to here. Wow, so good. Chop, 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 chop.
Hi putas. So welcome to another video. Today is February 16. Tomorrow is Lunar New Year. We're celebrating Solol, and it's my first time celebrating. As a Mexican American, I've been aware of Lunar New Year and always been, but I've never really celebrated it. And so this is my first year celebrating Lunar New Year. And growing up Mexican, my mom always said, make sure you clean your home before New Year's porque no quieres empezar el año con un cochinero, meaning like you don't want to start the new year with a mess. We're gonna clean the house. I did it for New Year following the Gregorian calendar, so it only makes sense to also do it for Lunar New Year. It feels like a fresh start. It feels like January was like a trial month. So like, it's nice that there's some similarities, but also I'm really excited to learn about the differences. Let's get this apartment clean. I've already started taking things out of the fridge because I want to clean out the fridge. Veggies that I want to cut up and prep and have those ready. So this is our fridge. So I took out some of the things out of the fridge, but I need to finish taking the rest of this out. The only thing I'm going to leave in is that top part where all the drinks are because I already wiped that down. So I'm going to do the kitchen first, and then from there I'm going to do our bedroom, and then I will do the bathroom, then I will do the office, and then the last thing I do is the floors, because as I'm cleaning, things fall on the floor, dust, whatever, blah, 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 blah. So the floors are the last thing I always clean. My garlic is washed and rinsed. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut off these little ends, and drop it in my container. While I'm doing this, I'm watching Dairy Girls on my phone. Let's speed through this! I pulled up a chair. Okay, so I finished cutting all the ends off of this garlic and it's washed. I would usually mince about 2/3 of this garlic to have it prepped in the fridge, but I don't feel like doing that today, so I just wanted them ready and the ends cut off, and we'll probably go through it within about 2 to 3 weeks. Maybe later in the week I'll mince it, or tomorrow, but as of today, this is as far as I am willing to go. Eat shit. Oh my god. Okay, that's the thing I miss about America. Is having my little cute little fuzzy rugs. Most of the bathrooms in Korea are like these wet rooms. Okay, so let's get to cleaning. Today we're making tacos al pastor. A little different though because we're using only what we have, so bear with me. I already marinated the meat, Korean style because we live in Korea. Put it in the pan. Oh yeah. And we're gonna get our cheese. We're gonna group them all together. Also, these corn tortillas I brought from the US. We just looked on Coupang last night and they do have some like full corn tortillas on Coupang. Now that it's kind of like getting crispy like this at the bottom, I put my tortilla on top, move it around. You can flip it with your hand, but girl, I'm not that adventurous or like that. Beautiful, and let that get heated up on that other side. Beautiful. We're eating 3 tacos each. I do 2 with cheese and then 1 without. Mazzetala. These are our tortillas with the cheese. Add our meat. lunch, because we have no cilantro. This is what they look like. Oh yeah, let's eat. We also had these tacos last night, but it was with steak. I didn't film that, but today we had the pork ones. Is it good? Add in some fresh onions. Tacos al pastor are with pineapple, but fruit is expensive in Korea, and it's easier, I think, to find pears than pineapple. So we're using the pear juice. But different.
The meat is also good, I think, for Korean style spicy.
Yeah, but it's with Mexican chiles. I used ancho, guajillo, and chiles de árbol. 3 kinds. It's better with green salsa, just the avocados were not ready. I made red salsa last night. Guys, I'm back home. Let's do the mic. Ooh, can you hear me? Perfect. So, today I had a really long day, and I'm still sick, which is great. But I'm feeling better slowly each day. Some days I feel the same, but today I think I feel better. I still have some phlegm, but anyway. For dinner, my husband ordered me something exciting. Let's see. Oh. So you're probably wondering, what did you order? It's my favorite home delivery food. It's jjajangmyeon. I love jjajangmyeon, especially from this place near our house. It's so good. Open this baby up. Oh, shit. He got me in half and half. Okay, let's eat Korean delivery food. We have the noodles. This is the half and half. 탕수육 and the jjajangmyeon sauce. Oh my god. But anyway, and it comes with radish, onion, and this, I think it's black bean paste, where you dip the onions into. Let's have a radish. Let's put the noodles. Ah, yeah. Mix it. Mix. I need kimchi with this, so I am going to go ahead and get some. If you don't know, jjajangmyeon is black bean noodles. It's so good. This is 탕수육. This is the jjajangmyeon. So good. The 탕수육. Today I ate very well. Get the onion in this sauce. I'm having such a multicultural day. Morning, I made my people's food. We had tacos del pastor with some alterations with what we had, but still tacos del pastor. And then I'm having Chinese Korean food. So good. I'm so happy. Especially after a long day. Let's get some kimchi. I also got my Coke Zero in my Galinda cup. It's so pretty. This is from Anthropology. I got it when I went to the US for New Year's. It's not an official Wicked release, but you get it. Sorry. Do you hear the carbonation? No, because it sucks. Has anyone else noticed that? Is it just me? I've noticed Korean sodas are not as carbonated. Or maybe I'm just unlucky. I don't know. Thanks to you. I put the kimchi from home in here to not dirty another plate. So good. Jjajangmyeon. And that's how you do it. I'm gonna finish dinner and watch a YouTube video. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Catch you in the next one.